Okay, so now we're going to continue on with Actividad 10 on page 278. Be sure to read Gramática if you weren't in class. If you were not in class, read Gramática. So if you weren't in class, be sure to read this. And now let's start with this one. Dos dormitorios, 2 bedrooms. En una hoja de papel, on a sheet of paper, escribe los números del 1 al 6. Write down the numbers 1 through 6. Escucha, listen to the 6 comparisons. Escucha las 6 comparaciones de los dormitorios de Paco y de Kiko. Escribe C si la frase es cierta o F si es falsa. Okay, so we have Paco and Kiko's bedroom. C if it's correct, F if it's false. Okay, so you're going to listen to me. I'm going to read a script, 1 through 6. Write down if it's C, cierta, sí, F for falso. Okay, número 1. Los 2 cuartos están muy ordenados. ¿Cierto o falso? Los 2 cuartos están muy ordenados. Remember, you can pause it if I'm going too fast. Número 2. Al lado de la cama hay una mesita. Al lado de la cama hay una mesita on both of the bedrooms. Número 3. Encima de la mesita hay una lámpara pequeña. Encima de la mesita hay una lámpara pequeña. Número 4. En el centro del cuarto, hay una alfombra grande. En el centro del cuarto hay una alfombra grande. Okay, and then number 5. A la izquierda de la alfombra hay una a la izquierda, okay. A la izquierda de la alfombra está la cómoda. A la izquierda de la alfombra está la cómoda. Is that cierto or falso? Okay. And then the last one, number 6. Paco y Kiko tienen equipos de sonido. ¿Es that cierto o falso? Paco y Kiko tienen equipos de sonido. Okay, let's see if you got all of those correct. Okay, so here we go. Los 2 cuartos están muy ordenados. Falso. Both of the bedrooms are very organized. False. Al lado de la cama hay una mesita. Next to the bed, there is a little table, which is nightstand. Correct? Encima de la mesita, on top of the table, hay una lámpara pequeña. There is a small lamp. ¿Cierto? En el centro del cuarto hay una alfombra grande. In the center of the room, there is a large rug. Falso. A la izquierda de la alfombra está la cómoda. To the left of the rug, there is a dresser. False. Paco y Kiko tienen equipos de sonido. Paco and Kiko have a sound system. Cierto. Okay, and then continuing on, we're going to do on page 279, we're going to do this one, activity 11. Okay, so right here it says, escribe 5 frases con comparaciones. So what I want you to do is to practice this. What they want you to do is to use más que and menos que, or menos que, but I'd like for you to use both of them so that you can get used to using them. So right here they give you, it says right here that they give you adjectives, and then this is to help you also. So let's look at what these mean. Aburrido, boring, bonito, pretty, divertido, fun, feo, ugly, important, interesting, popular, serious, sad. And over here we have the music, and so we have the blues, reggae, classic, folkloric, hip-hop, rap, jazz, rock, salsa. Okay, so here's the example that they give. Para mí, for me, or for me, salsa music is more fun than rap music. For me, salsa is more fun than rap music. So that's what they want you to do. What I'd like for you to do is plug in. So this is going to stay the same. Para mí. All of the sentences will have para mí. And now you're going to plug in a type of genre of music that you like. So you can plug in reggae. Para mí, la música reggae. And then right here is where you're going to change it. Es, and then you can use más que or menos que. Okay, so these are the examples that I wrote. So I wrote, para mí, la música hip hop es más aburrida que la música folclórica. So see how I use más que in this example? Now I'm going to use menos que, less than. Para mí, la música salsa es menos interesante que la música clásica. So right here we have, for me, hip-hop music is more boring than folkloric music. And then for me, salsa music is less interesting than classical music. Now on part B, number 2, it says read your comparisons with another student to see if you agree. So right here they put down, para mí, la salsa es más divertida que la música rap. So they copied this, they put it here, and now the other student is answering, and they say, sí, estoy de acuerdo, pero la salsa es menos popular que la música rap. Yes, I agree. They do agree. So yes, I agree, but salsa is less popular than rap music. Okay, so for this one I put, to me, salsa music is less interesting than classical music. And then I responded, yes, I agree, but salsa is more interesting than the blues. Okay, so if you can work on that, that would be wonderful.